Start with purple yarn, make a slip knot. Chain 5. From the second chain from the hook, make 3 single crochets. In the last chain, make 3 single crochet all into one chain. Turn your work and crochet in the other side of the chain. Make 2 single crochets, then make an increase in the last chain. To make an increased stitch, make 2 single crochets into one stitch. You will have a total of 10 stitches after you finish the first round. For round 2, increase in the first stitch, then single crochet in the second stitch. Repeat this pattern 4 more times until the end of the round. From round 3 to round 7, 5 rounds, single crochet in every stitch. For round 8, decrease in the first stitch, then single crochet in the second stitch. Repeat this pattern 4 more times. For the left ear, take a strand of purple yarn. Insert your hook into the body at round 2 and pull the yarn through. Chain 2. Make a half double crochet in the first chain. Then slip stitch to round 1 to finish. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. Repeat all the steps to make the second ear. To make the left wing, grab a strand of purple yarn. Insert your hook into the body at round 7 and pull it through. Chain 1. Insert your hook into round 6 and make 1 single crochet. Insert your hook into round 5 and then round 4. Make 1 single crochet in each round, just like in round 6. Chain 1 and turn. For round 2, make an increase in the first stitch, then make 2 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. For round 3, make 2 slip stitches. Make 1 single crochet into the second slip stitch you just made. Make a single crochet into the next stitch and make an increase in the final stitch to finish round 3. Chain 1 and turn. For round 4, make an increase in the first stitch. Then, make a single crochet in the second stitch. Turn the bat and make the right wing. Repeat all the steps from the left wing to make the right wing. Use white yarn to embroider the teeth at round 4. Use black yarn to make the mouth between round 3 and round 4. Use pink yarn to make the blush near the eyes.